Your 20s aren't a warm-up, they're not practice, they're the foundation of your life. What you choose to do or avoid during this decade will echo into your 30s, 40s, even your 50s. And yet, most of us waste it chasing short-term highs, approval, or just trying not to fail. This isn't a lecture, it's a wake-up call. Because no one teaches you how to use your 20s, but what you do with them determines everything. You scroll past highlight reels, success stories, and glow-ups, and you wonder, what am I doing with my life? You feel behind, disconnected, ashamed for not having it all figured out. But here's the truth, you were never given the tools. School taught you how to memorize, not how to decide. No one showed you how to build identity, set boundaries, or create a purpose. So no, you're not broken, you're just untrained. We don't waste our 20s by doing nothing. We waste them by doing too many things that don't matter. Partying to feel alive, scrolling to feel something, dating to avoid being alone, working jobs we hate just to survive. It feels like life, but it's a loop. Every hour spent avoiding discomfort is an hour stolen from your future self. The cost of distraction isn't just wasted time, it's lost clarity, lost confidence, lost momentum. It's not too late, you're not behind, but you do need to make a shift. Here's how you stop wasting your 20s. 1. Trade dopamine for discipline. Replace cheap pleasure with deep purpose. Short-term pain, long-term freedom. 2. Build before you broadcast. Don't post about the life, build the life first. Silence is your power. 3. Choose people who stretch you, not shrink you. Your circle is either building your future or burying it. 4. Make boredom your weapon. Turn off the noise, let yourself sit, think, plan. That's where self-trust is built. Your 20s aren't about being impressive, they're about becoming unshakable. You don't need to go viral, you need to go inward. Ask yourself, what would your life look like if you stopped escaping it? What if you became the kind of person who shows up, even when no one's watching? This is your decade, not to be perfect, but to build your foundation. Because everything after this is built on who you are becoming now. You don't need to figure out your whole life right now. You just need to stop numbing it. Start small, clean the room, read one page, write one thought down. Momentum doesn't come from knowing everything. It comes from doing something. Don't look back at your 20s with regret. Look back and say, that's when I took control. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe if you're ready to stop wasting time and start owning your future. Your 30s will thank you, and so will your future self.